How can I make affirmations work for me? That's a question I get a lot. And so I wanted to go back, and this goes back about to 2015, and some lessons I learned from Dan Peña about setting goals and affirmations. So his overriding comments were he wanted those goals to be bold, unrealistic, bodacious, over the top, unconventional, and can't accomplish in his lifetime. And then Dan outlined the steps that he used to experience tremendous results. And those steps are: 1, compile a list of everything I want. Convert my want list into a goal list. Convert my goals into affirmations. Begin each affirmation with the words I am. Add an emotion word to each affirmation. Write each affirmation in the present tense using a verb that ends in ing. Say each affirmation out loud at least twice a day. So for example, if one of your wants is to increase your net worth by $5 million every month, then you turn it into a goal by writing it down on your goal list as, I want to increase my net worth by $5 million or more each and every month. The affirmation would be, I am happily and easily increasing the amount of my net worth by $5 million or more each and every month. The phrase I am sends a command to your subconscious so that it can work on this goal for you even while you are asleep. The terms happily and easily tell your subconscious that you will not struggle to accomplish this. This works well for me because it also helps me shorten my workday. You may want to use another term that will help you experience the emotions of the increased amount of savings. The present tense word increasing creates a sense of stress between what you are saying and reality, so that your subconscious mind acts with a sense of urgency to make this happen. The or more is important also because when you realize how easily it is to increase your savings account by $5 million each month, you may want to immediately raise that amount. These two little words will have already sent the message to your subconscious, and you will reach that monthly amount quicker. The best times to say affirmations are in the morning when you get up and in the evening just before you go to bed. By saying them at night, you're commanding your subconscious to work on them while you are asleep. By saying them in the morning, you give your subconscious the opportunity to present a, quote, report, unquote, of what it did while you were asleep. The increased focus you experience as a result of this simple activity will produce phenomenal results so that you truly get what you want out of life. This is your homework, and boy, does that ever work. The only thing that I would add to that is to use pictures where you can. So if, for instance, you want to add something about a home or a car or whatever it is, if you can get a picture so that when you're looking at those, it also visually drives it home, that would be very good. For me, that's very helpful. So I hope that helps. Affirmations are important. They keep you focused, and they really do begin to train your mind that these things are possible. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments or ideas for future episodes, please email bruce@brucewhipple.com. And if you're not already on our mailing list, head over to brucewhipple.com and sign up and grab any of the free reports. That'll put you on the mailing list. There is a lot of free information you can use to acquire already profitable businesses. This is Bruce Whipple. Thanks for listening to the Business Acquisition Podcast. And remember, you miss 100% of the opportunities you fail to take. And procrastination truly is the thief of time. So do something today, please. Your future self will be proud of you.